Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Pop Tart Lee. It seems like ages since I filmed, far too long. So excited to get into this big old box of pops. This has been sat in the loft for the best part of a week actually now, from Funko Europe, and it's a line I've been really excited about since I knew it was coming out. The thumbnail has probably given it away. If it hasn't, I'm going to show you the pops. I don't know what else to say. That was a really weird intro that kind of I should plan these things better. I'm going to just open the box and shut up because there's 3 pops in here and this video could be a lot longer than I intended it to be. I've just tried to cut along that. Look, how ropey that's got. Sorry. You can tell I'm rusty at these old unboxings. Anyway, it's nice to get the scissors and you watch me open a box. I'm comfortable anyway. Let's get 3 pops out of this box as soon as possible so we can talk more about the pops and less just to this nonsense. So like I said, 3 have come. Europe, so some of these slice protectors they've done. Fiddling off camera. Oh yeah, here they are. They look awesome. So we're going to get straight into them. Who do I go with first? We might as well go straight with the big guns. Indiana Jones himself. Oh, look at that glare. Did you get that glare then? Who cares? This is the special edition. What number is it? 1369. Sorry, this is the first time I've looked at them. I've purposely tried to not, I went a bit school teacher, purposely tried not to look at these on the website or anything. I knew I was going to get them as soon as they come out, but I've tried to not look at the details so I can kind of embrace the excitement on camera. And I'm wondering now if that was a bad idea. I should have just done it. So 6 on the back of the box. I've gone for 3 of these, which you're obviously going to see. But this one was the only special edition I've gone for. So this one was £16. The other 2 were £13 each. Yeah, because it was £42. So just over the £40 to get the free delivery. The box looks pretty cool on that, to be fair. Some nice artwork. I mean, not going to be inbox pops, but looks cool. Either way, let's get him out. So I think these are going to be the same as the Star Wars pops. That was quite loud. All of them are going to come on these stands, but they're nice. I like that. The lighting's, again, it's quite a sunny day. Of all the days I get a chance to film, it's when the sun's out. But we'll get them on the spinner. We'll make it. You keep saying we, like this me, it's just me. But as Indy anyway, with his whip, I like this one because it had kind of the battered effect. Obviously this is from Temple of Doom, this one. Shirt's open a little bit. I'm saying that the shirt's open and then I'm checking if he's got a hairy chest, because obviously that's important to me. Like the slight stubble effect, he's a bit battered around the face. I like these stands actually. I think that obviously it's going to take up a little bit more room because of that, but with the Indiana Jones kind of embossed on the base plate, it's cool. I like that one a lot. But I always wanted to get an Indiana Jones pop, and by the time pops kind of came around, they just weren't that accessible. Not sure why. So yeah, sword, whip, that's quite a little bit of gift, but not too bad. Bobbleheads as well, I'm just noticing that. Apart from Star Wars and Marvel, I've never known that before. So yeah, so these are all going to be bobbleheads. But there's the first of the 3 anyway. There's Indiana Jones. I'll take them out of the box as they come. So the next one is Salah. I'm going to say this is Last Crusade, this one, based on the outfit he's wearing with the fez. 1352. Boxes are so far spot on. Yeah, I'm going to say Last Crusade. You can Google it. I don't know. You can build. No, it doesn't say it on the front either. So what was that last number? 1369. So that's quite a big leap up. So I don't know how many they're going to have in the range. I wonder if I'm trying to think now. Could have done that off camera. I'm sure there's a short round. Is there a special edition short round? I'd like to get a short round anyway. But we've got Salah. This one was kind of like, it was a route I could have gone down because I'm going to a Comic-Con in, as I film this, it'll be less than 2 weeks, which is crazy. No, it won't. It'll be just over 2 weeks. 2 weeks Saturday. And John Rhys Davies is going to be there, so it would give me the opportunity to get the box signed, but I have already got it given me signed by him, so I'm not going to. So he's really cool. Fez looks really good. Again, bobbling away. I like the outfit on this one. This looks really screen accurate to me. I mean, it's a while since I've watched Last Crusade. I've definitely watched it. I'm trying to think. In the last 12 months, 100% I've done the trilogy, because I say it's a trilogy because let's be honest, the 4th one is shite. And from what I'm seeing of this 5th one, the reviews are not great either. I will go and see it. If only just had the Indiana Jones theme tune going at some point in like a Dolby Surround cinema, it would sound amazing. I mean, at some point I'll probably try and put, I don't know if I'll put these on the spinners separately or how I'm going to do it. I don't know why I need to talk like that, but Indiana Jones theme is just one of the best themes out there. John Williams is, I mean, Alexa, play Indiana Jones. There you go. So that should start it off for you if you've got an Alexa. Leave it on while you're watching the video. Probably making it a bit better than what I'm doing here with this twizzling and whatnot. So anyway, he's got the tie, he's got his fez. It's quite a nice little pose to him. Cream outfit, shoes, another one of these bases. So let's get the third one out. And it is, I've gone with Henry Jones Sr. So I've not gone with, I should probably say, I've not gone with Arnold Tote. There is another Indiana Jones. There's a Marion as well. Marion, maybe I'll add at some point, but that seemed more like a sale one, whereas these were kind of like, as soon as I knew these were being made, I wanted them. So he is 1354. I'm just trying to look at these numbers. So 1355 is the last one on this, and then, like I said, it jumps up to 1369. For those of you who give a toss, let's be honest, I don't think there's many. But anyway, so Sean Connery. Is this the first Sean Connery pop? I can't think of any other ones. It's quite weighty actually, but that's nice. I like that. Straight away, the briefcase and the umbrella. That's what I was hoping for. Obviously, that great scene on the beach. I mean, out of the Indiana Jones, I'm going to keep calling it a trilogy. What's your favourite? For me, Last Crusade. Just brilliant. I absolutely adore Last Crusade. Borderline faultless. His hat there, as I'm touching it, it just feels a bit like, you know, like when you've got something plastic and it's just kind of cut into slightly. It feels a little bit like that. At the end of the body, it's not visible. His glasses look really cool with the gold rims. I always like pops with glasses. I think I've said that a million times, and I like that. That's really nice. Again, I don't know how well I'm picking up this. Like, yeah, that might be that. See how the moustache kind of two tones into the beard, almost like the goatee effect. That's a really nice touch. So he's got the brown waistcoat. He's got his little dicky bow on. I can lift that up and you can see his dicky bow. Waistcoat, brown jacket. That's really cool. This is where it's nice. As soon as I see that pop, I automatically think of Henry Jones. I don't think of anything else. So he's a really nice addition. So they're the three I've got today to show you. So we have got Henry Jones, we have got Salah, and we have got Indy himself. And then to the left of me there is loads of plastic insects. I nearly dropped that then. Nearly did a Levi Screwballs. So yeah, out of these three, which would you say is your favourite? There's so many questions. Don't answer any of them. It's entirely up to you. I just feel obliged now to ask kind of questions during the video. In reality, you just watch and do what you want. You don't have to ask questions. It's not an exam. So there you go. They're the three. I'm really happy to have them. Really happy. Like I said, Short Round would be an addition, and Marion as well at some point. But I don't think I want to go anymore. And definitely one of each character. I know there's at least another Indiana Jones in a suit, not the one on the back of the box, but another one. One Indy, and this is the one for me. I think that's a really, really nice. He's got the whip out. I'm showing you the pop again. I've already showed you the bloody pop. Anyway, let's shut up. Good to be back at it. I might film another one straight away. That's the point where you normally say, well, we're wearing the same clothes. I'll probably be wearing the same clothes anyway. I'm a bit of a tramp, let's be quite honest with you. And on that note, have a good week, have a good weekend. Whenever this is, I do not know. Look after yourself, and the eyebrows are going, bye for now, bye.